Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Canva application on your PC. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in canva.com and hit the search. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the official website of Canva. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the three dot button. Just click on three dot button and go down. You can see over here save and share button. Just go for save and share button. Now over here you can see the create shortcut. Just click on create shortcut. Now you can choose the app name, as I am choosing the Canva, and just click on the square box over here and just click on create button. See guys, your application has been installed. Now guys, create a design from the application and enjoy the app. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.